guys, it actually happened. AirPower has actually been released. What's up guys, I'm BenObi from BenObi Tech and welcome back to another video. So, Apple did what most people thought they wouldn't be doing, and they just pulled the biggest April Fool's Day joke ever. I was this close to thinking Apple actually canceled AirPower, but turns out they didn't, and they've actually released it on their website now. So the price of AirPower is $250, and for some reason they have a whole page dedicated to AirPower. Hopefully this is an April Fool's joke in itself. Apple just saying, we've canceled AirPower, here's AirPower. No, we don't actually have it. Yeah. But you can now buy it on the Apple website for $250. It's a little more than what I hoped for. I hoped it was going to be $150, $200, but it turns out it's $250, so yeah. Honestly, I didn't expect him to actually pull through. Like, they literally fooled so many people by saying AirPower was canceled. Just imagine all those people who bought other third-party chargers and now they're like, great. So, will I be buying AirPower? No, I won't, because like I don't have 3 devices to charge on AirPower. But I guess now, after years of waiting for AirPower, it's finally happened. Anyway guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, let me know by hitting that like button down below. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. And of course guys, if you want to help support the channels, go ahead and get yourself some merch. Links down below, or head over to BenObi.shop. And if you're not into merch, you can still support me on Patreon or PayPal. But for now guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm BenObi from BenObi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Happy April Fools.